Good morning everybody. Today topic is compare the properties of dia, para and ferromagnetic materials. Now we go to discuss about the properties of the magnetic materials. Comparing the properties of the magnetic materials. First stage. Diamagnet and paramagnet can exist three states, that is both solid, liquid and gases. Ferromagnetic materials exist only solid state. And come to the second part, the effect of magnet. If the material is placed in near to the magnet, if the material is placed near to the magnet, what will be the behavior of the material? Weakly repelled by a magnet. So it gives a repulsive force because it is oppositely magnetized. When passing the magnetizing field is passed to the diamagnetic substance, it magnetizing in opposite direction, so that weakly repelled by the magnet. So it repelled the magnetic materials. If this is magnetizing field, if this is diamagnetic substance, if the magnet is moved to the diamagnetic substance, the diamagnetic substance will move. It is repelled. And paramagnetic substance is weakly attracted by the magnet, so it will attract the magnet. And ferromagnetic substance is strongly attract the magnet. You all know that if a magnet is moved near any materials, any iron or any ferromagnetic materials, it is strongly attracted by the magnet. And second is behavior under non-uniform field. What happens if a diamagnetic substance or paramagnetic substance or ferromagnetic substance is placed in a non-uniform magnetic field? அது கொண்டு போய் ஒரு நான் யூனிஃபார்ம் ஃபீல்டில் வச்சோம் அப்படின்னா அதோட நேச்சர் என்னவா இருக்கும்? That we go to see the next property. Tend to move from high field to the low field. Non-uniform field அப்படின்னு சொன்னாலே the magnetic field is not constant. So in some region the field is high, in some region the magnetic field is low. The diamagnetic substance is moved from high field region to low field region. The diamagnetic substance move from high field region, அதிகமா magnetic field region ல இருந்து எங்க magnetic field கம்மியா இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தா அந்த பக்கம் நகரும். It moves from high magnetic field region to low magnetic field region. But paramagnetic substance and ferromagnetic substance both move from low magnetic field region to high magnetic field region. If there is no low magnetic field region, if here is the high magnetic field region, so the paramagnetic substance, ferromagnetic substance move towards the strong field. And the next property, behavior under external field. What will be the nature if external field is applied and external field is removed? The magnetizing field னு சொல்றோமே, the magnetizing field அந்த மெட்டீரியல் மேல அப்ளை பண்ணக்குள்ள அந்த மெட்டீரியல் எப்படி இருக்கும், அந்த ரிமூவ் பண்ண பிறகு அந்த மேக்னடைசிங் ஃபீல்ட ரிமூவ் பண்ண பிறகு அது எப்படி இருக்கும்? That is the next one. It loses its magnetic property if the external field is removed. நம்ம அந்த ஃபீல்ட மேக்னடைசிங் ஃபீல்ட அழிச்ச உடனே அது இன்டியூஸ்டு மேக்னெட்டிக் டைபோல் மொமெண்டம் உண்டாகி அப்போ ஒரு இன்டியூஸ்டு மேக்னெட்டிக் பிஹேவியர் வருது டயாமேக்னெட்ல. That induced magnetic behavior is only due to the application of the external magnetic field. அது இருக்கிறதால தான் அது magnetic behavior இருக்கு. அதுவும் சரி, paramagnetum சரி, diamagnet as well as paramagnet, if the field is applied, then only it have the property. After removing the field, after that immediately all the property is come to the original. It loses its magnetic behavior. அது என்ன பண்ணுது? magnetic behavior இழந்து. both diamagnetic and paramagnetic substance is having the same property. It will not having the ability of retain the magnetic behavior. தன்னால அந்த magnetic behavior இழுத்து வச்சிக்க முடியாது. Okay. And in case of ferromagnetic substance, if consider this is a ferromagnetic substance, if you are magnetizing a ferromagnetic substance, after remove the field, magnetize பண்ணிட்டேன், field remove பண்ணிட்டேன், now it will not loses its magnetic behavior. நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லிருக்கு, அதாவது ரெண்டு ஃபீல்ட் இருக்கு, ரெண்டு வகையான மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் இருக்கு ஃபெரோமேக்னெட்டிக்ல. One is used for preparation of strong magnet, that is permanent magnet. Another one is used for preparation of electromagnet. அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி permanent magnet-ஆ இருந்துச்சுன்னா இத கொடுத்த உடனே அப்படியே அந்த magnetic property retain பண்ணிக்கும், வெளியில மேக்ஸிமம் விடாது. After moving the field, it acquires the magnetic behavior, magnetic property. அது வந்து ferromagnetic substanceல இருக்கு. Effect of temperature. The diamagnetic substance will not affect by the temperature. Diamagnetic substance என்ன temperature change ஆனாலும் diamagnetic substance ஓட propertyல எந்த changesம் இருக்காது. So it is independent of temperature. Diamagnetic substance is independent of temperature. But paramagnetic substance and ferromagnetic substance is inversely proportional to the temperature. If the temperature increases in case of paramagnetic material, what will happen? It loses its magnetic behavior. அதோட தன்மை இழந்து கொஞ்சம் temperature அதிகமாச்சுனா it became diamagnet. And in case of ferromagnetic substance, what happen? If you are increasing the temperature above certain value, the domain will be break. அந்த மெட்டீரியல் ஹீட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கு அப்படினா நாம அந்த domain இருக்கு இல்லையா, ferromagnetic material having the domain, so the domain will disappear. After disappearing the domain, the molecular motion, the magnetic moment is in different direction, like same what happened in the paramagnetic material. And the domain அழிஞ்சு போய் it became paramagnetic substance. So at which temperature a ferromagnetic substance became paramagnetic substance? The temperature is called Curie temperature. The temperature is called Curie temperature. Above the Curie temperature, if you are giving heat, the ferromagnetic substance is converted into paramagnetic substance. So both the paramagnetic substance and ferromagnetic substance is dependent on temperature, inversely proportional to the temperature. Okay. Then come to the permeability. Diamagnetic substance is permeability is very less, even less than 1. Here paramagnetic substance having permeability greater than 1 but not more. But ferromagnetic substance permeability is very high. Very high permeability ferromagnetic substance. And come to the susceptibility. The susceptibility is less, very less. Diamagnetic substance is magnetized in opposite direction. It is less than 1 and it is negative. The diamagnetic substance having the susceptibility value is less, mean less than 1, but in opposite direction. So that less than 1 and unity, that is less than unity. And here it is greater than unity. Paramagnetic substance is greater than 1, but positive. Greater than 1 and it is positive. And here ferromagnetic substance very high and positive. That is first one little less than unity, it is negative. It is less than unity and it is negative. It is greater than unity and is positive. It is very high and is positive. What is positive? Positive means It is along the direction. The property is along the direction. And example, finally, copper, silver, gold is diamagnetic materials. Paramagnetic, lithium, tantalum and magnesium. Here iron, nickel, cobalt. So these are the properties of dia, para and ferromagnetic substance.